This is an absolutely stunning hotel. This is the Cascade Hotel in Kansas City. Gorgeous front door. I just absolutely love this. Let me do the little peephole. I still have my gloves on from being outside. When you walk in, immediately here is your bathroom vanity area. So nice. Love the mirror. Just kind of love the whole vibe. To the side this way is the actual shower and the commode area. There's a nice mirror there, and that is the commode area. Very nice shower. Love the detail wall. Love the rain shower head, and there's the amenities: the shampoo, the conditioner, and the body wash. And love the sliding glass doors. Love the flooring as well. Big, huge tiles. And then when you walk into the bedroom area, it kind of switches to more of a wood look. Gorgeous seating area. Again, nice detailing on the wall. Beautiful king size bed. Beautiful. Love the area rug as well. And look at the closet area. Beautiful, beautiful wardrobes. So nice. I haven't actually put anything in there yet. My luggage is still there at the front door. But when you open it up, it definitely continues with the vibe. Love the blue in the background. Gives a light when you open it up. Hangers, ironing board, rack for the luggage, and an iron on this side. And let's see what this one is. Oh, very nice. This is like the mini bar area. Waters, a coffee. Looks like a fridge. And they do have Keurig with kind of some starter coffees and teas there. And then moving on to the side, it's my gloves and my tapas box from United Airlines from the flight. There's a nice sized TV with that paneling continuing from the closet. And then I'll just sweep over, get another view of the room with the bed. Super nice. And it looks like plugs and USBs on both sides. And then for this particular room, I am on the 9th floor, 958. You do have, it's not an official, but there is plaza view right out here. Very nice, very beautiful.
The lobby and coffee bar were my first stop every single morning. It has a relaxed space, great coffee, comfortable seating, and a very easy place to start the day. And with my eggnog latte all hot and ready to go, I was on my way for my first adventure in Kansas City, Missouri. This gorgeous park is one of the largest urban parks in the country. The first snowfall had come through just a couple of days before my arrival, but lucky for me, there was still snow on the ground, just enough to remind you that winter was knocking. The beautiful architecture of the Starlight Theater stood out to me. Clean lines, such detail, and the presence that just makes you wonder what it must be like to view a performance inside this beautiful structure. I had no idea Kansas City had so many hills. The elevation changes made the scenic drive even that much more beautiful. I didn't stay in the park long, just enough to take in the calm before heading back to the city. This was just the beginning of my time in KC. Stay tuned for what's to come.